Whenever I meet people and tell them that I create blogs and a YouTube channel full time, they often want to create their own passive income online. But they feel like even if they do the work, it would take a great stroke of luck for them to be successful. That couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, over the last few years, I've developed a repeatable step-by-step process that's allowed me to build 8 different websites from zero to over $1,000 per month. All it really takes to create passive income online is first setting up your process and then starting today. The first thing we have to do in creating this process is to create your blog in a weekend and then write about 30 posts on that website. Usually what people focus on is the monetization and how I'm going to make money and all the SEO minutia, but the most important thing you can do is to just create a helpful website. You've got to check out the video we did on the first rule of SEO because it is king for this part of creating your website. What we recommend is writing 30 articles as you create your website. 10 of them will be what we call response posts. They're about 1,500 words long and they answer a very niche, direct question that people will type. Something like how to change the aperture on a Nikon D3200. Then another third will be your staple posts. These staple posts are kind of shareable content, the things we always see. 11 tips for better basketball free throws, etc. And then your last 10 posts are your pillar posts. These will probably take you 2 or 3 days to create each post. They're big, meaty, 3,500 word posts that tackle a bigger keyword. Something like, basketball fitness or how to improve your jump shot. Just a big, giant topic. So by creating those a third, and a third, different types of posts, it allows you to your first 10 posts are targeting keywords that are easy to rank for because there's no competition whatsoever. Then your staple posts start to get some links out there because they're more shareable and they can target a little bit bigger of a keyword. And then your pillar posts are after Google is already trusting you a little bit with some tiny keywords. It's really not difficult. The only thing that keeps the web from being more competitive than it is the fact that most people start and lose faith. They don't see that if they put in the work, they can get the reward. And that's what makes me happy and what's enabled us to create successful site after site after site is everybody thinks that blogging is too competitive, and it's just not the case as long as you go at it with the right approach. And if you do that, it's a lot more than just a lucky trick shot. It's a process that works every single time.
Once you have a website up with lots of good content on it, at least those 30 articles, it's a good idea to start marketing your website through YouTube. We recommend that you create a new YouTube channel and go make about 10 videos. Those 10 videos can be based off of the posts that you've already written. Your website's up with lots of great content, but it's kind of an island. It's going to take a long time for Google to rank your articles such that you start to get enough traffic to really make your site interesting and to be able to monetize it. And that's why we need to do something a little bit different to get traffic there rather than just letting it grow organically. This is where most people get spammy with link building. And if you do that, you can get yourself into a lot of trouble. So rather than building links and trying to fool Google into thinking our site is more authoritative than it is, what we do is we use YouTube. We found really good success with this early on with our website Camper Report because we made a video about RV lengths and the appropriate RV lengths for national parks. And we told people go to camperreport.com/RV length to get a full listing of the RV lengths for national parks. And we got a ton of traffic really early on. And that signaled to Google that people were really interested in that information. That article ranked really, really fast. Once you have your YouTube channel up with at least 10 videos pointing people over to your channel, you're going to be able to make a slam dunk making passive income online. Now that we have our website up with lots of good content and a YouTube channel that's pointing traffic over to our website, we can start thinking about how we're going to actually start making money off that traffic. And the first way that we're going to do that is by putting affiliate links on our website. We're going to link to products that other people sell. These can be Amazon links, but they can also be through various other affiliate providers like ClickBank, ShareASale, as well as many, many others. The reason we wait to do this until now is if you're creating content with affiliate links in mind, you tend to create content that's really, really product focused. And what really does well for us is when we create content that has nothing to do with products, that's all about answering the questions people are actually searching online. What we're going to do, I'm going to kind of outline it here. We're going to have a lot of posts. These are all green. Green means they're not monetized. So we've written post, post, post. In fact, you've got at least 30 of them at this point. Then maybe we're going to write a couple of new posts that are product focused. These are posts that we will monetize with links to Amazon. We'll also create a resources page. This is a page where we'll actually put all of our recommendations of products for this niche, or at least links to articles or other pages that go into detail about these products. Then what we can do is we can start going back to our old posts, and when it makes sense, we can link from a post over to our resources page. We can link from this post maybe to another post that talks a lot about certain products. And what happens is we're able to monetize a lot of our posts, but we do it without putting links all over the place. Again, it just makes your site much more authentic, much more genuine, and it allows you to focus on being really, really helpful and not just on how you're going to earn money through affiliate links.
Okay, we already talked about affiliate links on your website, and most people who are making small passive income websites right now are focused mostly on Amazon. And what we've seen in our business is actually focusing more on ads. We're earning more money from ads than our Amazon affiliate right now. It used to be that I just would earn nickels on my website from ads. When I just had Google AdSense and would just put a few ads here and there, it was only a few dollars. But then I learned how to implement ads in a better way to make some real money. So first of all, you need to know how much to expect. A pretty normal cost per 1,000 people on your website, your CPM, is about $12. But it could go anywhere from $4 to $25 per 1,000. But around 12 is pretty normal. So if you have 10,000 page views, it's just not that much money. I wouldn't really worry too much about putting ads on your website. When you have 30,000 page views a month, well, you could be earning $1,000. And the nice thing about ads is you can write any post you feel like. If you're writing just affiliate, then you just want to write reviews and commercial intent kind of searches for people that are actually going to be buying, and you want them to click your affiliate link right before. But those keywords are a lot more competitive. So if your primary monetization then is ads on your website, you can write anything, just a helpful post that will get a lot of traffic, because the ads will monetize it. And that will help you to create a more helpful website. Doing it that way will make your monetization more than just a lucky trick shot.
We told you that our favorite way to earn passive income is through ads. But the way that we earn the most money on our websites is actually through our own information products. Information products are things that you can sell yourself, like your own ebooks, maybe a video course, an audio guide, something along those lines. Now, you gotta be careful with information products. You can spend a lot of time putting one together, and if you don't have a good audience of people that trust you and like you and that they're likely to actually believe in your information, then they're not gonna do very well. Another thing to think about with information products is how you price them. If you have a $300 information product, you're not going to sell that very much to cold traffic, people that have come to your website for the first time, or people that maybe just hit your email list. They're going to need a little bit of cultivation first before they're going to be ready to spend that kind of money on you and your product. The better way with more cold traffic is to have more like a $15 information product. In fact, we've seen that $15 price point is really, really good, and we've actually made a lot of money on $15 information products selling very, very high volume because it's a low risk transaction. If it turns out to be not that good, you're only out $15. The other thing I want to point out is the amount of traffic it takes to actually earn a good income from information products. Of the people that come to your website, maybe about 5% will end up on your sales page. And that's going to depend a little bit on how you funnel people there with all the posts on your website. But of the people that land on your sales page, somewhere between 1 and about 3% are probably going to buy your product. So it takes serious traffic for you to be able to earn a good income with information products. But here's the thing, if you're ready to learn how to do this yourself, how to build a great website, build a good following on YouTube, and create your own information products that are going to earn you substantial income, then go check us out at Project 24. Go to incomeschool.com/project24 to learn how you could do this for yourself.
It's a process that works every time. Maybe not every time.